Good morning, students. Hope you are keeping fine. Is right? Okay. So, uh, in literature, we have covered up the fifth lesson. The little boys made a song, and we have completed this. We have not discussed the the the, the exercises. I want to do that. But before that, I want to tell you, can you write the small story, small passage, small paragraph about this small boy based on the poem? I'm not asking you to remember the poem line by line, verse by verse. I'm not asking to explain also. But based on this poem, the little boys made a song. Please write a paragraph, a short story of this little boy. Imagine that you are a little boy and you are seeing the valley. Seeing this valley, you are more excited. Then you go to your mother. Then ask mother, why don't you allow me? I want to go. See how the birds are flying. How the small lambs are tripping around, tottering around. That girls they are playing. Boys, these butterflies are flying in the over the flowers and all that. Why don't you imagine a short story of a boy based on this story, the poem? Write a short story. See that this paragraph. First one is the first paragraph. First part of this poem explains about the beauty of the nature. Okay, beauty of the nature in the valley. How green, a very nice green valley is spread over there. Over that, small houses are there. Houses are there in Usa. Children are playing and enjoying with the sheep, small lambs, with the lambs. And then winter is coming. The winter is just coming, and so they are jumping around. Flowers, plenty of flowers in the garden. So they all enjoy. Birds are flying high in the sky. Okay, and second part of this poem is the dialogue between the yes between the mother and the child, mother and the child. And so the mother, this child is asking, see mother, see how the other side of the yonder, before the other side of the valley, how children are, how the birds are flying, how the bees are humming around their hives, birds fly high and sing, all that. All these are telling in such a beautiful place. That is, mother, I want to go and play with them. And mother says, yes, my dear child. How can I stop you? How can I stop you? Because all that who has made all these things loves to say, see the people playing around. When all the children they play around in the valley, with the nature, he just smiles. He says, so can you think of your own imagination and write a short paragraph? Is that right? Yes, I'm sure you will be able to write. That is the fantasy writing. Is a fantasy, just you creative writing or fantasy writing, you do this so that it will be easy for you to practice on. And if you write yourself, you write your own, then you will be able to remember your own. No? If I ask you in the exam, based on this one, write a paragraph, then you surely will be able to write. Is it that helpful? Yes, it's very helpful, my dear. Okay. Next one is the, see that, exercises. Answer these questions with reference to the context. I love to hear their pleasant song. I feel as glad as they. That means whose pleasant song? Whose pleasant song? Is the song of the birds. Is being the song of the birds, song of the brook, small river that flow. Okay, and the humming of the bees, flying of the flying over the flower, the flying of the the butterflies over the flowers. See, pleasant song. So you can write it. Just you write what you have understood is being referred here. What whose song? Bird song is there, bees song is there, humming of the bees, and the song of the brook, pleasant to listen. How do the second one? How do they appear to the child? How do they appear? How does the child sees all these things? They are very attractive, very pleasant, very good. Nice to listen. Keep a word with a pick up word with me, which means the same as happy, glad. Okay, happy, gay, gay, glad. These are the rejoice. These are the synonyms. Many, not only one. Many you can find out. Okay, in the poem, what is there? Next one. The trees that looked so stiff and grey, in the winter, with green wreath, now they are hung with nice flower, green leaves of wreath. Wreath means all joining were joining. Wreath means what called spheres shape of the spherical shape of the flowers and the leaves that tied it out, and it is given offered to in respect to the dead person. Actually, they are there. But wreath is also there on that. The olive wreath. Put this the respect. That is different wreath. Olive wreath, and then the wreath which is offered to the dead person is different. Okay, this is. So wreath now are hung. When did the tree look stiff and grey? During the winter. How do they appear now? They are very attractive, very green and all that. Which of the two appearances of the trees look better to the child? Whether the green, stiff and grey, or green and healthy, green. Okay, so you write just one sentence answer. No need to explain all that. Answer these questions. Next one, number B. What is the poem about? The poem is about the May Day song. That is just after the winter, the spring season coming. What is that? Spring season. Explains about the spring season. Okay, so it's the spring season. Name all the things that have been described as a part of the spring. Part of the spring, what are the things are there? Flowers are there, bees are there, children are there, lambs are there, okay, butterflies are there, brooks flowing are there, all those things. What does the poem tell us about the bird in the spring? I'm sure you will be able to understand. What does the child's mother tell him? Don't go. Yes, I have told enough of times. So then, yes. In the line, for he who made this blooming earth, that's beautiful earth, blossoming earth. Who is he? Is the God, the creator. Who is he? God, the creator, who has created the beautiful world. What, in your opinion, is special about in an infant's joy? Infants means small child. Infants means small child. Child's joy. What is the joy? How does he express? How does he express his joy to the mother? Okay. Can you do that? I'm sure you will be able to do it. I think the lesson is clear and fine, and task is given. I have told you, please write it down. Okay? Bye.